Hey YouTubers, what's happening? Surrogate Beats. This is for all the beat makers out there who use Ableton and Machine. This beat was made with that, but really I wanted to do a quick little video about the importance of always looking for new sounds, new instruments to inspire you and get your creative juices flowing. So I'll go jump right to it. There's a website that's called Pure Magnetic that sells Ableton and Contact instruments. This particular light pack for Ableton was really fat. Check it out. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna get that. And then I heard this. So I thought, for the money, which isn't that much, it was a pretty good instrument. And then this one I think was kind of thrown in there. Didn't care for it as much. Maybe for a dance track or something like that. So that's right. I bought these and I loaded them up into Ableton, and I had a real simple progression at first that just kind of went like this. And the inspiration for this song is actually the other website that I wanted to show you guys, which was I'm not sure if you've ever seen this, but this is like who sampled. It kind of shows you the original and then who sampled it. So this song here by Schoolboy Q, it's gonna take a second to load up. Here it comes. So in addition to the beautiful woman that you could admire, also what's admirable is they just took this loop as you can see, and they just looped it. And I mean, literally for the whole song, that's all it does. A couple little breaks and stuff like that. But so I figured if you could do that, make a hit, then anybody can do it, and we could all do it. So that's the message here. So this little part here, that goes to the song, and I'll just show you some of the other parts. I did this, which is another similar. I think I got that from a synth pack. I can't remember what it is now. Octopus, I think it's called. And what else is there? From Silent, which is just another synth. Those are the drums. There's a couple other things. I thought there was an 808. Anyway. And so on. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy the message, and I'll catch you next time. All right, peace.